Hi guys, welcome back to another special episode of Baking with the Missus. Today we'll be trying out the highly raved Dalgona coffee, but I'll be changing it to Milo instead. So let's begin! To do this, you may want to use a mixer or manually whisk it. We'll be adding in 4 tablespoons of Milo, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of hot water. Mix well till the sugar has dissolved. Here comes the important ingredient. In order for the Milo to thicken up, you'll need a teaspoon of ovalette to act as a stabilizer. Leave it to whip till it reaches a thick consistency. There you have it everyone! Serve with a glass of iced milk. Top it with the Milo mixture. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys! Remember to subscribe and follow him on his Instagram. Till the next episode. Goodbye!